In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download video from Pinterest on PC. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going to pinterest.com. If you're asked to sign in, go ahead so you can access full search results and open pins without restrictions. In the search bar at the top, type the topic you're interested in. After the results load, look for the filter option and select videos. This narrows the results to pins that actually play, which is what we need. If your layout looks a bit different, you might see a Videos tab, or you can add the word video to your search to get similar results. Browse through the results, pick a video you like, and click it to open the pin on its own page. You should see a play button and a share icon, usually shaped like an arrow. Click the share icon, then choose copy link. If you don't see the share icon right away, it may be inside a 3 dots menu. Either way, the goal is to copy the pin's URL to your clipboard. A quick tip: on Windows, you can paste later with Ctrl+V, and on macOS, use Command+V. Now open a new browser tab and type Pinterest downloader.io. This site will convert the pin link into a downloadable file. Important reminder: only download videos you own or have permission to save, and follow Pinterest's terms and the creator's rights. On the downloader page, click into the input field, paste the link you copied on it, and click the download button. The tool will fetch the video and show available options. When the results appear, choose the MP4 option for the best compatibility across players. Click Download MP4 and your browser will start saving the file. If you're prompted to pick a location, choose a familiar folder like Downloads and consider renaming the file so it's easy to find later. If multiple resolutions are offered, higher resolutions look sharper but create larger files. Pick what matches your needs and your internet speed. If the link doesn't process or the download stalls, recopy the pin's link and try again, or test a different video pin, since not every pin type is supported. Also, ignore unrelated ads or pop-ups on the downloader page. You only need the link field and the main download button. When the download finishes, open the MP4 to confirm it plays correctly. If you don't hear audio, the original pin might be silent, which is normal for some videos. And that's it. Go to Pinterest, filter to videos, open a pin, copy its link, paste it into Pinterest downloader.io, click download, and save the MP4. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you quickly download a Pinterest video on your PC.